Hello, and welcome to Tom Invests. Let me ask you something. Why is it that some people earn a normal salary yet always seem calm about money, while others earn more but still live paycheck to paycheck? The difference is not intelligence. It is not luck. And it is definitely not income. The difference is how they manage their money. Today, I will show you one of the simplest and most powerful money systems ever created. The 50-30-20 rule. If you feel stressed about money, if your salary disappears every month, or if you want to start investing without fear, this system can change the way you think about money forever. Let's begin. Why most people fail at managing money. Most people do not have a money problem. They have a system problem. Here is what usually happens. You get paid. You pay some bills. You spend what feels reasonable. And at the end of the month, there is nothing left. So you tell yourself, I will start saving next month. But next month, the same thing happens. Saving what is left over never works. The 50-30-20 rule fixes this by giving your money a structure before you spend it. What is the 50-30-20 rule? This rule divides your monthly net income into three simple categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. That's it. No complicated spreadsheets, no tracking every single expense, no financial anxiety. Just three clear rules that give you control over your money. The 50%, your needs. Needs are expenses you cannot avoid. Housing, utilities, basic groceries, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. If you lost your income tomorrow, these expenses would still exist. Your needs should not exceed 50% of your income. If they do, this is not a budgeting failure. It is a lifestyle or income mismatch. The 30%, your wants. This is not the bad category. Wants are part of a healthy life. Eating out, subscriptions, travel, shopping, entertainment, hobbies. This category exists so you can enjoy life without guilt. If it fits inside the 30%, you can spend it confidently. The key is intentional spending. Spend money on things that improve your life, not on impulse purchases that quickly lose their value. The 20%, savings and investments. This is where wealth is built. This money goes to your emergency fund, investments, retirement, and extra debt payments. This is how you pay your future self. The rule is simple. Pay this first. Automate it. As soon as you get paid, 20% is moved away. You do not see it, you do not spend it, and you do not miss it. Money management is not about restriction. It is about control. When you control your money, you control your future. This is Tom Invests. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.